For Utah's most accurate forecast with Alana Brophy. Weather rates certified 11 years in a row.
All right, let's head over for another check of the weather. You can see the snow coming down behind you, Alana.
Yep, just keeps coming.
It's coming. This is Jordanelle. This is northern Utah, backside of the Wasatch, where it's been snowing steadily for the last several hours, and you see fresh accumulation on the ground. We are dealing with snow in our mountain valleys, our mountains, and eventually that will be our valleys along the Wasatch Front. It's why we've got that new winter weather advisory in purple. We knew the winter storm warning would bring that heavy, wet, dense snow from this decaying atmospheric river. But we've got rain in the valley that will transition. So Cache Valley and then the Wasatch Front all the way from Brigham City to Payson. We are going to see rain transitioning over to snow. Tooele County is part of this winter weather advisory as well. It went into effect at the top of the hour. It means the changeover is going to start to happen, and that sloppy wet snow could impact the commute as we head into tomorrow. So this winter weather advisory holds until 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So that means the morning commute, well, it's going to be sloppy, folks, and we have to be extra careful and give yourself plenty of time. It's a live look at Cache Valley, where we've just seen light snow. You can kind of catch it here on the camera coming down near the Utah State University campus, and we know that's going to amp up as we get through the next couple of hours. We're tracking the timing on this tricky transition because it is tricky, right? We have this warmer air that comes in with our southerly flow, and then we've got to see that colder air take over for the rain to switch over to snow. Satellite radar shows us the southerly flow as that storm system kind of pushes moisture in. It tracks to the northeast, and at this hour it is filled in. Now we are getting some breaks and drier spots there on the western edge of the state. Eastern Utah now tapping into it, but we're not finished. Nope, not at all. Dragging that moisture from the Pacific. That was a monster storm system that caused flooding and had major issues. Now, as the system weakens, we're taking that moisture and bringing it into the Beehive state. It's going to keep us unsettled for the next several days, so our active pattern is not going anywhere. Futurecast walks us through what to expect and the exact timing here. Keep your eye on the clock in the corner of your screen. You notice that rain and snow. Now, the model has to switch it over at some point. You do see that happening down towards Cedar City after midnight near 2 a.m., and the rain wants to hold on in portions of Washington County as we get later into tonight. Utah County, Nephi, Provo, already seeing that snow. By 4 a.m., we see the transition from Logan all the way down through Ephraim, Delta, but we still have a pocket on the model there of heavier rain. So some areas, especially west of I-15, could hold on to that a little longer. But we know by 6 a.m., snow is going to be out there and the morning commute could be compromised as a result. 11 a.m. on Friday, we still have snow over the mountains along the benches and the possibility of snow showers holding steady along the Wasatch Front. Eventually, that moisture slides to the east. So the next 12 hours here, we've got active skies. High pressure wants to move in. The second half of your Friday looking pretty nice. It's going to be quiet. And then we get that high pressure that holds for Saturday. Changes, though, on the horizon after that. We stay unsettled, and we get another weak disturbance that comes through on Sunday. And right now, the model wants to bring the chance of some mountain snow showers and maybe some wet weather on the valley floor. This is Sunday at 2 p.m. That's a quick hitter. It just grazes the state. After that, we get into next week, where we do have a promise of another system. How much snow is going to come in when the changeover happens? Well, 2 to 4 inches. That's the best looking bet with the tricky transition here in the valleys. Now, there could be some spots that do a little better than that. The benches looking at 3 to 6, but some isolated areas could get higher than that, going for 8 inches. Mountain valleys, generally speaking, 3 to 7. This includes the Wasatch back, but we know places like Park City could get higher than that, and a few spots like Morgan. Mountains overall, 10 to 16 inches, but we think the Cottonwoods could go for 20. Okay, as we look at the drought monitor, it really tells the weather story. Is this helping? These are the newest numbers that came out. And as you look at the red, that's extreme drought, 28%. That is down. Good news there. Last week it was 31%. So the short answer here, yes, these systems are helping, and we want them to continue to move on through. 30s and 40s for tomorrow, 20s, 30s, and 40s on the eastern side of the state, and 50 in St. George, where rain showers can't be ruled out for the morning hours, but then drier conditions take hold for the weekend. Into next week, we stay unsettled with that pattern, delivering another soggy punch Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a check on the Wasatch Front, where we have that slight chance of moisture Sunday and then again into Monday, and that next storm system could be another valley rain, mountain snow event. But we know the changeover happening now. We've seen it in places like Lehigh, Utah County, and the backside of the Wasatch.
Ooh, here it is.